Today is 12/14, December the 14th, and our title is Penguin. Penguin. Okay, let's get our sketchbooks opened up here, and let's get the date, 12/14. Don't forget to put that in there so I know when you did it, and let's get started. So we're going to make an egg shape to start with, which means it's just going to be a little bit more narrow at the top and wider at the bottom. Okay, just a simple, almost like an oval, but it's not complete at the bottom. Okay, next we're going to put in some eyes. So here's 1 and 2. And the eyes on the inside. We're making this really cartoony today. Put some highlights in the eyes. Okay, that's just a couple of circles that are next to each other that you're not going to color in. We're just going to color all this black. Okay, with just that little bit of white. Okay, so there's the eyes. Let's go ahead and do the nose, or with a beak, I guess you would say. Little curve and a triangle. Okay, so far we've just done an egg shape, some eyes, and a triangle. Next we're going to draw some light ovals for the wings coming inside. So here and here. Okay. Now the next part is we're going to make the belly. Okay, so we're going to take from the beak, we're going to come down and stop where the wing is at, all the way down, and now we're going to actually curve this just a little bit to where the bottom is at, and we're going to bring this part into it right here. Okay, so it should meet. So back up the other side. So basically you're making an oval within an oval. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and erase right here and here. And now I'm going to darken all of the rest of this and fill it in. So let's go ahead and do that. So there's a wing. There's a wing. Over. Over. Go ahead and erase anything that you don't need. Okay, we're going to add feet next. And that's just going to be some ovals coming off of the bottom here. Just some small ovals. Lines coming up into the feet. Okay, and let's do some shading and color in. Maybe we'll give them a little bit of hair at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, just a little spiky going on there. Give it a little attitude and bring it around and start shading it in. Okay, so I'm going to shade all the way through this penguin. I'm going to be really careful around the eyes so that I don't color them in on accident. What that's going to mean is I'm just going to have to slow down as I get to that section. Coming around, because we do want to see the white of the eye. There we go. And you're just going to shade this completely solid all the way down. Now the belly is going to stay white, so you won't have anything there. So keep going, fill it in. If you get outside the lines, don't worry about it right now. We can erase later. Just a little bit more. Okay, so we've taken it all the way down. We've done all of this. Let's do just a very, very light shading on the feet. Okay, I'm not barely pressing at all. I don't want it too dark. Okay, there. And there. I'm going to darken up some areas. Okay. And a little horizon line in the back. He's got to be standing somewhere. Okay, and that's it. There is your cartoon penguin. So I'd like you to make one of these today. Please make sure that you erase any lines or marks that you don't need. You've got solid shading here, and this is going to be more of a dark gray to black. And you've also got a light shading here on the feet. Don't forget the horizon line in the back, and erase any marks or lines that you don't need.